Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 162 and today I'm going to show you another great Super Bowl recipe. This is also in collaboration. I am collaborating with my good friend Scott over at the Real Show BBQ. For our collaboration, we're going to do Super Bowl. He's going to make maple bacon wrapped chicken wings. That sounds good. And I'm going to make shrimp dip. And my friends, this recipe is so simple and easy to make. It's going to be delicious. And this will be a hit for your Super Bowl party. Alright, you ready? Let's go make some shrimp dip magic in my southern kitchen. Alright, in my medium bowl, I added 1 8-ounce carton of mascarpone cheese, and we're going to add in 5 tablespoons of salad dressing, or you can use mayonnaise, 1 small grated onion, 1 cup of cooked shrimp, frozen cooked shrimp, and salt, black pepper, and garlic powder to taste. And we're going to stir all this until it's nice and well combined. Alright my friends, our dip mixture is ready. So now we're going to pour it into our square baking dish. Alright my friends, I got all my dip in, so now we're ready to put it in the oven. We're going to put it in preheated 350-degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 20 minutes. Alright my friends, this is what our dip look like after 20 minutes. Should look something like that. Over here in my pan, I have 12 ounces of Tuscan loaf bread that I cut the inside out, and we're going to pour the dip right inside the bread. Alright my friends, I got all the filling inside the bread, so now we're going to put it back in the oven at the same temperature, 350 degrees, and we're going to let it bake for another 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. Alright my friends, there you have it, shrimp dip. Look how nice and pretty that looks, and it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Alright. Alright my friends, our dip is nice and chilled, so let's give this a taste. And I'm dipping it using a cracker, or you could cut the bread and you could serve it like that. But doesn't that look good? Look at that shrimp. Alright, here we go. This is the bomb.com. The shrimp is nice and cooked, and the dip is flavorful too. Y'all would definitely enjoy this for your Super Bowl party. Look at that. Shrimp-licious. Alright Scott, I had a wonderful time. Thank you so much for joining me in the Super Bowl collaboration. I'll post a link to his channel and to his chicken wing recipe down below in the description box. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat and happy Super Bowl!